Hi guys, I am Shan from JVFC Malaya. And ang gagawin natin today ay mag-i-interview ng mga kaibigan about what do they think of financial inclusion by describing it in one word and why.
Affordable. Kasi it means dapat lahat ng service afford ng isang tao regardless sa income nila.
Convenience. For it to be inclusive, it has to be an easy access to financial services.
Appropriate dahil dapat sakto yung services na pinoprovide natin sa pangangailangan ng mga
And there you have it guys, nagkaroon tayo ng insights about financial inclusion through the perspective of other people.
Hi mga ka-finance, this is JM from JVFC Malaya of PUP Manila, and today we will be answering a very important question. How do access to financial services and resources empower the youth? So access to financial services gives young people the tools to turn ideas into action. With the resources like savings, credit, and financial education, youth can start businesses, invest in their skills, and support their families. When we invest in youth financially, we unlock a generation of change makers ready to build stronger, more inclusive communities for everyone.
Magandang araw mga kausapang pera. Ako nga pala si Kap Eddie.
At ako si Brother Jason.
At kami ang JVFC Malaya mula sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines.
At welcome sa Usapang Pera. Kung saan pera ang usapan, pero di nakaka-stress.
So, ngayon no? Mabilis ang tanong lang. What if walang financial inclusion?
Ano nga no? Paano yun ka, Freddy? Yung tipong wala akong bank account, hindi ako makakapag-loan, o kaya makakapag-ipon na maayos.
Yun na nga, ibig sabihin, wala kang access sa basic financial services. Walang savings account, walang insurance, walang puhunan.
E di paano yun kung may emergency? Paano kung gusto kong magtayo ng maliit na negosyo?
Ay, mas mahirap talaga umasenso. Mas mahirap makaahon. Pero kung may financial inclusion, ay nako, may pag-asa. Kahit si Aling Nena, maaari ng sari-sari store. O estudyanteng gusto mag-ipon, may paraan.
So hindi lang talaga pang mayaman ang banking at investment.
Exactly, Brother Jason. Financial inclusion isn't just a concept. It's a step towards equal opportunity for all. Kaya mga kausapang pera, tandaan, kapag may access ang lahat sa financial services, mas may laban ang bawat Pilipino.
Mas maraming makakaahon, mas maraming makakaipon. At lalo na't mas maraming makakapagplano para sa kanilang mga kinabukasan.
Muli, kami ang JVFC Malaya mula sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines.
At ito ang Usapang Pera, na kung saan pera ang usapan, pero di nakaka-stress.
Yay!
You heard it here mga ka-finance. Financial inclusion means access, empowerment, and opportunities for all, especially the youth. It breaks barriers, fuels dreams, and turns ideas into actions. Without it, progress is limited. But with it, every Filipino gets a fighting chance to build a better future. I am Venice, and we are JVFC Malaya. Until next time.